Chapter 7 HTML and Introduction. Concept note: HTML, Hypertext Markup Language, is a fundamental language used in web development. It is essential for creating, structuring, and presenting content on the web. Learning outcomes: children will be able to know about HTML and its features, understand the structure of HTML document, learn the different tag and attributes. Neha: Hey Tia, my computer teacher wants us to create a website with 5 different web pages. Tia: That's great. Neha: But I am little bit confused how to create a website. Creating a website basically means creating web pages, doesn't it? Tia: Yes. Creating a website logically involves creating web pages. A website is a collection of interconnected web pages. Neha: But what is the difference between them and how are they created? Tia: Okay Neha, I will tell you. Let's get started. Difference between website and web page. Web page. A web page is an individual document commonly written in HTML, Hypertext Markup Language, which can be displayed in a web browser. Each web page contains content in the form of text, images, videos, and other media. Web pages are fundamental building blocks of the World Wide Web, and every web page has its own unique web address known as URL, Uniform Resource Locator. These websites are viewed using web browsers such as Firefox, Google Chrome, Opera, Microsoft Edge, or Apple's Safari. Website. A website is a collection of related web pages that are interconnected and accessible on the internet. Fact Corner. The first website ever created was named info.cern.ch. It was launched by Tim Berners-Lee at CERN, the European Organization for Nuclear Research, and served as an informational guide about the World Wide Web project itself. What is HTML? HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It is a standard markup language used to create web pages. It is used to structure content on websites by defining the layout and formatting and include various media elements such as images, videos, and links. Hypertext. Hypertext is text that contains links to other text. When you click on hypertext, it opens a new web page where you can explore more information related to that link. Markup language. Markup language is like a style of writing and presentation for designing web pages on the World Wide Web. HTML consists of a series of markup symbols that are inserted into a file. Each individual markup symbol is referred to as tags. These tags give instructions to the web browser on how to display the text and images on a web page. HTML tags are interpreted by web browsers to display the content to its users. Let us know more about HTML. Features of HTML. HTML allows you to design attractive web pages with special formatting options. HTML is not case sensitive, meaning that HTML capital, HTML small, HTML are all treated the same way. It enables the creation of hyperlinks in web pages. HTML has its predefined tags and syntax to write a program. Essential tools required for working in HTML. HTML editors. Web browsers. HTML editors are programs used to create and save documents. There are 2 main types of editors. WYSIWYG editor. WYSIWYG stands for What You See Is What You Get. These editors allow us to see how the output will look while we are creating the document. They offer tools and graphical interfaces for designing web pages. We might not need to know HTML commands as the editor adds the necessary code automatically. Examples include Adobe Dreamweaver and Google Web Designer. Text editor. Text editor is an application software used for creating and editing web document using HTML commands. It allows us to write the code manually and save it as a text file with the .html extension. The most widely used text editors are Notepad and WordPad. Fact Corner. HTML was invented by Tim Berners-Lee, an English computer scientist who also invented the World Wide Web. Web browser. A web browser is used to preview the output of the HTML code. Some popular web browsers are Firefox, Google Chrome, Safari, Edge, etc. HTML document structure. The structure of an HTML document follows a specific pattern that ensures proper formatting and functionality. We can divide an HTML document into three basic parts. HTML structure. It consists of opening and closing HTML tags that enclose the entire content of the web page. Within this structure, we have head and body sections. Head section. Inside the head section, we can include the title of the web page using the title tag. Body section. The main content of the web page is placed inside the body section. This includes text, images, links, and any other elements you want to display on the web page. Look at the following HTML document. HTML tags for structure. HTML. Every HTML document starts with HTML and ends with /HTML. Head contains information about the document. Title sets the title of the web page visible in the browser tab. Body contains the actual content displayed on the web page. HTML tags. HTML tags are also known as elements. These elements can be classified into two main types. Container elements. These tags have both an opening tag and a closing tag. An opening tag is indicated with angle brackets, less than and more than, and includes the tag name, and the corresponding closing tag is indicated using angle brackets along with the forward slash, less than, slash, more than inserted before the element name. For example, less than HTML, more than is an example of an opening tag, and less than /HTML, more than is a closing tag. Empty elements, self-closing tags. These tags have only an opening tag but do not have a closing tag. For example, BR tag. HTML tags and their attributes. Attributes provide additional information to HTML tags and are included within the opening tag. They enhance the behavior or appearance of the element. Each tag can have specific attributes that modify the functions of the tag. Attributes are often written in a specific syntax that includes the attribute name, an equal sign, and the attribute value. For example, attribute name is equal to value. Note: multiple attributes in a single HTML tag are written by including each attribute along with its corresponding value. These attribute value pairs are separated from each other by a space. Getting started with HTML. To create an HTML document, follow the given steps. Type Notepad in the search box next to the Start button. Click on the Notepad app that appears in the search results. Type the following HTML code in the Notepad window. Click on File menu and then on Save As option. The Save As dialog box will appear. Type the file name followed by an extension .html to save the file. From the Save As type list, select All Files option. Click on Save. Viewing an HTML document. Open any web browser such as Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge and press Ctrl+O keys. The Open dialog box appears. Choose the file and click on the Open button, or in the address bar type the path of the HTML document and press Enter key. The content of the HTML file will be displayed on the browser just as it would appear on the internet. Let us explore some more HTML tags and their attributes. Body tag. The body tag is a fundamental element in HTML that acts as a container for all the content visible to users on a web page. It includes the main content of the web page, such as text, images, links, and other multimedia elements. The body tag has various attributes that allow us to change the appearance and behavior of the web page. Some commonly used attributes of the body tag are BG color. It sets the background color of the entire web page. It takes a color value as its parameter. For example, body BG color is equal to yellow would set the background color to yellow. We can also specify the color value in hexadecimal format. Background. It sets the image to be used as the background of the web page. For example, body background is equal to image.jpg would use image1.jpg as the background image. Text. It sets the default text color for the content of the web page. It takes a color value as its parameter. For example, body text is equal to blue would set the text color to blue. Heading tag. The H1 to H6 tags are used to define headings within a web page. There are 6 levels of HTML headings. The H1 tag is used for the main heading of the page. It is the largest and most prominent heading. H6 is the smallest and least prominent heading. H2 to H6 tags provide subheadings for the page. Try the example shown in the screenshot on your computer. Attribute to heading tag. Align. The attribute is used to specify the alignment of the heading tag. It takes values left, right, center, and justify. H1 align is equal to left /H1 for left alignment. H1 align is equal to center /H1 for center alignment. H1 align is equal to right /H1 for right alignment. H1 align is equal to justify /H1 for justify alignment. Font tag. The font tag is used to apply styling to text, such as changing the font type, size, and color. It is a container tag. Attributes of font tag. Face. This attribute specifies the font type for the text. Size. This attribute sets the size of the font. Color. This attribute changes the color of the text. BR tag. The BR tag is used to create a line break within text. It is an empty tag, meaning it doesn't require a closing tag. When the browser encounters a BR tag, it inserts a line break similar to pressing the Enter key in a word processor. Formatting tags. Formatting tags are used to apply various visual styles and formatting to content. Some common formatting tags are B. Bold text. This tag is used to make text bold. I. Italic text. This tag is used to make text italic. U. Underline text. This tag is used to underline text. S. Strike through text. This tag is used to apply a strike through effect to text. Subscript text. This tag is used to display text slightly lower and smaller than normal text. Superscript text. This tag is used to display text slightly raised and smaller than the normal text. Flashback. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language, which is the standard markup language for creating web pages. It is used to structure content on the web, defining the elements and their relationships. The basic structure of an HTML document includes the exclamation doc type HTML, declaration, HTML, head and body sections. Tags are essential in HTML, denoting elements like paragraphs, P, images, IMG, and links, A. Attributes provide additional information about elements and are crucial for styling and functionality. Heading tags H1 to H6 establish a hierarchy within the document, aiding in both visual presentation and SEO.